Welcome back to Tainslade Info. For many years, France Safran Helicopter Engines Company has been the sole supplier of powerful and reliable engines for Indian helicopters, which are manufactured by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. The choppers which I am talking about are the HAL's Light Combat Helicopter, HAL's Light Utility Helicopter, HAL Dhruv, and HAL Rudra helicopters. These helicopters have been fitted with different variants of the Safran helicopter engines, and these engines have been reliable one, and that's the reason HAL has been procuring and license manufacturing them for their choppers for these many years. Now, since the Make in India and self-independent concept has become more and more popular, India wants to produce, manufacture, or develop every possible weapon indigenously. And one such step is to replace these turbomeca engines used by HAL choppers. The various variants of Safran engines which power India's LCH, LUH, and Dhruv helicopters are the Ardiden 1H, Ardiden 1H1, Ardiden 1U, and Turbomeca TM333 engines. These engines have always been more reliable and suitable for a variety of helicopters manufactured by HAL. Coming to the topic of indigenous replacement of these French engines, even though HAL has been using these French engines for the chopper, they had been simultaneously developing HTSE-1200 turboshaft engine for 3.5 ton single engine class and 5 to 8 ton twin engine class helicopters. The HTSE-1200 stands for Hindustan Turboshaft Engine -1200. These engines have achieved 100% speed run on core engines, and the relevant sea level trials has been completed successfully. It is also said that there have been 250 tests of this engine since its inaugural run, and these engines have been progressing well to have its first flight very soon. As per the different sources, it is also said that HAL has completed the manufacturing of parts and modular assemblies for the power mode engine, and they are set to start the limited series production of these engines from 2021 end. According to me, this is indeed a good news and a great achievement by India, but I think we shouldn't let go the strong bond with France in the case of helicopter engines until we feel that these indigenous engines of HAL are really capable for any type of missions and are really reliable ones. Already we know the history of Kaveri engines and also the engines which were used to power the Nirbhay missiles. They never succeeded as expected, so I would appreciate if HAL concentrates and makes this engine a great success, but thinks twice before cancelling the Safran engine relationship. So let's wait and watch what happens in this particular case. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to Tainslade Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.